Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by clicking on ads. This is free and available worldwide. It has a multiple payment methods such as Payeer, Skrill, faucetmoney, and more. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You must first create and maintain your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So go to paypal.com and click this button to create a 100% free account. Simply complete the initial fields and connect to your personal PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can start an online bank account by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a free account with that online banking company. Now, the website I'm about to show you today is aticlicks.net, where you can make money just by clicking on advertisements. Now, go to aticlicks.net, but keep in mind that if you don't view this video, you won't make any money. And even if you do, your earnings will be locked in your account and you won't be able to withdraw them. As a result, you must watch the entire video to fully comprehend all of the hazards, avoid them, and appropriately cash out your profits. As you can see, you can begin earning money online for any action you take. You can take part in a number of different surveys. You can compete in a number of different competitions. You can complete numerous offers, refer people, or simply play games. But in this video, I want to show you how to focus on visiting websites, which means you can simply go to the other websites and click on various advertisements to earn real money. As you can see on their website, they're very honest about all of their earnings. As you can see, the total payout for today is this amount, and the total payout of yesterday is this amount. The site presently has over 43,000 users registered, and it even displays all various withdrawals from all users as well as their username, nationality, and payment method. All of your earnings can be cashed out in a variety of ways. For example, if you want to send money through PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, Bitcoin, Payeer, Neteller, or Perfect Money, there are numerous payment options available all over the world. And all I ask is that you write a comment down below telling me what your preferred payment option is in your nation, and I'll teach you how to create a free account right now. Allow me to show you the payment proof in its entirety. They show all of the dates, as you can see. Many people, for example, have already paid their checks today and yesterday. Now, behind the username, you can see that they are all from different countries. And you can see the country flags beneath the username. Many people from all over the world can easily make money by clicking on advertisements on this website. By simply visiting to websites and clicking on them, you may see the total amount paid 5 times, 3 times, and so on. Anyone can do this without any prior experience, and I'll show you several examples of how you can multiply and earn twice as much as other people. And you can earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars right here on this page. So if you want to join up for a free account right now, all you have to do is click on this button to register for free. And that will take you to the page where you can fill in your full name, email address, and choose a username and establish a password. Simply input your birth year and place of birth, then click the I am not a robot and agree to the terms of service and register button. That's all there is to it. Once you've logged into your account, the leaderboard will be the first thing you see. They'll basically show you who makes the most money. For example, this individual was a member of ATIclicks.net not long ago, as evidenced by the user and nationality, as well as the total earnings, which can be seen here. And this individual was a member of ATIclicks.net not so long ago, as evidenced by the username and nationality, as well as the top earnings, which can be seen here. And you can see the second ranked top earner with over this amount right here. This is a group of people from all around the world who can earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars by doing something quite simple. It's as simple as pulling out your phone and tapping on the advertising. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. As you can see, after logging into your account, you'll be presented with a selection of daily fixed advertisements that you may click on to earn money. Take a look at this one as an example. All of these are advertising that will take you to another website if you click on them. Everything they do is simple, and you can follow in their footsteps. When you go into your account right now, you'll have a selection of advertisements to choose from. With banner ads being the most popular, they're all banner adverts, as you can see. When I go to the appropriate part, I see all of the banner advertisements that you may repeatedly click on to earn money. Let's imagine I click on one of these banner ads, and it takes me to a random website. You may do this on your phone or on your computer. So for the time being, I'd like you to spend 30 seconds on this page. Simply wait 30 seconds. There is no need to push any buttons, sign up for anything, or make any purchases. You simply stay here for 30 seconds, and one very important thing is that you do not do any of these mistakes, okay? Because many individuals visit the website and click on the banner adverts. This is a warning. They don't move, they just sit there, and they don't make any money from the advertisements because they don't look around. Make sure you don't make this mistake by taking a peek around this website instead. If you don't move anything at this page, they'll presume you're a robot and won't credit any money to your account. As a result, it's really important. After you arrived at the webpage, surf around a little and then wait for 5 to 10 seconds before moving out. As a result, you'll be able to show them that you're not a robot, and they'll be able to credit money to your account in 30 seconds. Once you've completed one banner, you can move on to the next because there are so many more banners advertisements right here on our website that you can click on and start making money with. The second approach to get money is to click on the daily fixed advertising, which includes all of the adverts and then staying there for about 10 seconds to be paid. As you can see, many people are succeeding with this strategy. So let me show you one of the payment proofs right here on ATIclicks.net. This is where you'll find all of your payment proof. Assume I select on these options. As you can see, it will take me to this page where others are sharing their findings, evidence, and testimony. On this website, you can see how much money they made, how successful they are, and how many people are reporting their gains. What do you think they do? They merely click on ads that are displayed on a daily basis. This is a bonus tip that no one else is mentioning. Make sure you complete at least 5 daily fixed ads per day, as this will help you multiply your earnings and earn 10 times as much as others. This is an additional tip that I'd like to share with you. To my subscribers, you'll be able to unlock the standard advertisements after finishing 5 daily fixed commercials, which will pay you 10 times more for all of these ads as shown above. You must stay for at least 30 seconds to be compensated. If you click on these adverts right now, for example, it will link me to another page, and depending on which ads you click, you may have to wait 10 seconds or 30 seconds, and the longer you wait, the more money you will make. You will be rewarded if you stay on this page for another 30 seconds and look around. As so promised, I immediately show you the ultimate bonus tip. This is something no one else is talking about, and it has the potential to help you earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on this website. As you can see from the overall revenues, the top earners are on the scoreboard. This one, for example, has this amount of right here, another earning, and you can see the referral gains from the money they receive right here. This money comes from referral earnings. For example, you can see the complete earnings of the second user right here, but referral profits account for a portion of it. And that is the most important factor in determining where the top earners are on the leaderboard. They just refer others to this website, and you can do the same by recommending others to aticlicks.net. So, on the other hand, you may make money by clicking on advertisements, and on the other hand, you can make even more money by referring others to this website and receiving passive income, which is a win-win situation. They learn how to make money, and as you can see, referral commissions are available. Apart from merely clicking on advertisements, this is one of the best ways to get money with aticlicks.net. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by clicking on ads. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.